Hello friends, welcome to Yashuvan's kitchen. Egg stuffed peppers. The ingredients required are 5 peppers, 5 eggs, chili powder, some salt, oil and coriander. Chop the top of the peppers and de-seed the peppers. Now take some oil onto a pan and heat the oil on a medium flame. Place the peppers on the pan. The peppers are also called bell peppers or capsicum. Now place the lid and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then turn the peppers onto the sides and keep turning them until they are half cooked. When the peppers are half cooked, break an egg into each pepper. However, if your peppers are big in size, you may choose to break 2 eggs into each pepper. Add salt onto the peppers to suit your taste. Now add some chili powder onto the peppers to suit your spice. Now top the peppers with some coriander. Place the lid back on and cook for 5 minutes. When the eggs are half cooked, flip the peppers upside down. Cook for another 5 minutes on medium or low flame, and then start to turn the peppers onto each side to cook them evenly. Now check to see if the eggs are fully cooked. If your eggs are fully cooked, that means your egg stuffed peppers are ready to be served. Let's cut a pepper into half and taste it. Thank you for watching Yashuvan's Kitchen.